Improving the screen reader user experience with accessible documents. Ensuring that all people can easily access digital documents or other online information is critical to creating equal participation in our digital world. Just like wider doorways, ramps, or automatic doors creates equal access to physical spaces, electronic accessibility makes digital information more usable for everyone. For those who use a screen reader, the impact of digital accessibility is enormous. Let's take a closer look at how incorporating accessibility into a Microsoft Word document transforms the screen reader user's experience. Headings. Headings play a vital accessibility role in a document. They allow a screen reader user to easily navigate and jump to different parts of a document. This is similar to how a sighted person would scan the document for relevant information. Headings should follow a logical outline, H1, then H2, followed by H3. Here is an accessible version of headings.
Bigfoot, Magnapedia Americana heading level 1. Identification heading level 2. General description heading level 3.
Here is the inaccessible version.
Bigfoot, Magnapedia Americana. The manage graphic identification. General description.
Blank spaces. If extra spaces, returns, and tabs are used to format a document, rather than paragraph spacing, columns, page breaks, or other layout tools, the screen reader will read these extra spaces out loud by repeating the word blank for each space used. This narration can be annoying when the user is trying to read and navigate the document. For example, here is an inaccessible version.
Page 2 Section 1 Bullet About 40% of Americans still say that Bigfoot does not exist. Page 2 Section 1 blank, 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 blank.
Here is the accessible version.
Bullet About 40% of Americans still say that Bigfoot does not exist. Heading Level 2 Locations and number of Bigfoot observations in Minnesota between 1941 and 2015.
Hyperlinks. Web addresses should always be hyperlinked on meaningful text that describes where the hyperlink leads. This method clearly communicates that there is a link and where the link goes. Otherwise, screen reader users must listen to lengthy web addresses filled with jumbles of letters and numbers that might not make it clear where the link will take them. Additionally, screen reader users often listen to links out of context, either by navigating through the links or by using a keyboard command to list all the links on the page. Here is the accessible version.
Though Bigfoot has done well for itself in remaining out of the public eye in the last few decades, human expansion means there are likely to be more encounters out of link with the previously mysterious creature.
Here is the inaccessible version.
Though Bigfoot has done well for itself in remaining out of the public eye in the last few decades, human expansion means there are likely to be more encounters with the previously mysterious creature. See link https://www.impernews.org/story/2016/06/22/searching for Bigfoot in northern Minnesota out of link.
Alt text. When information is represented through imagery, such as a picture or a chart, a screen reader relies on a text description of the image called alternative text, or alt text. The screen reader will first identify the item as a graphic, and then read the alt text.
Since its official discovery in 2020, what a year, the Minnesota DNR has been working to determine how best to manage the species moving forward. Graphic: a toy Bigfoot figure placed in a wooded area. Heading Level 2 Identification.
Here is the inaccessible version.
The Minnesota DNR has been working to determine how best to manage the species moving forward. Graphic. Heading Level 2 Identification.
Tables. Designating a table header row or column helps the screen reader user know their location in the table and what information is being conveyed to them. As they move from cell to cell, screen readers will read the header associated with each cell. In the following demos, listen to how the screen reader gives each column its name of trait, male, or female, before reading the cell information.
Table with 4 rows and 3 columns. Level 1 row 1 column 1 page 2 trait column 2 male column 3 female column 4 row 2 trait column 1 length male column 2 7 to 9 feet tall female column 3 6 to 10 feet tall column 4 row 3 trait column 1 weight. Male column 2 360 to 560 pounds female column 3 230 to 450 pounds.
In the inaccessible version, it simply identifies it as column 1, 2, or 3.
Table with 4 rows and 3 columns. Level 1 row 1 column 1 page 2 trait column 2 male column 3 female column 4 row 2 column 1 length column 2 7 to 9 feet tall column 3 6 to 10 feet tall column 4 row 3 column 1 weight. Column 2 360 to 560 pounds column 3 230 to 450 pounds.
Disability can happen to anyone at any time. Someone who uses a screen reader might be born blind, have limited vision due to illness or accident, or they might be dealing with the temporary after effects of a concussion. With a couple of small changes to our documents, we can help people access and interact with our digital products. Do the right thing. Be inclusive. Be accessible. For more accessibility resources, visit Minute's Office of Accessibility website at mn.gov/MNIT/accessibility. Minnesota DNR did not discover Bigfoot. Copyright 2022, State of Minnesota, Department of Natural Resources. Produced by Minnesota Department of Natural Resources, 500 Lafayette Road, number 46, St. Paul, Minnesota, 55155-4040. Toll free 888-646-6367. Website mndnr.gov. The Minnesota DNR prohibits discrimination in its programs and services based on race, color, creed, religion, national origin, sex, public assistance status, age, sexual orientation, or disability. Persons with disabilities may request reasonable modifications to access or participate in DNR programs and services by contacting the DNR ADA Title II Coordinator at info.dnr@state.mn.us or 651-296-6157. Discrimination inquiries should be sent to Minnesota DNR, 500 Lafayette Road, St. Paul, Minnesota, 55155-4049. Or Office of Civil Rights, U.S. Department of the Interior, 1849 C Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20240.